The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
About a 1 foot hover, showing 1 foot. Hovering about a foot, give or take. Trying for that 7 foot, 7 foot. Now we got a little bit of a ripple underneath it. Keep moving up and down a little bit still. Right here.
Landing.
Okay.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Okay, so there we are, about a foot off the water, 1.3 feet over the water. In the hover, holding it pretty good, but like I said, I think it's because the rotor is making enough turbulence in the water that the sensor sees something instead of getting weird reflections. 3 feet over the water. You can see now it's starting to rise up and down on its own. It still thinks it's at 3 feet. You see the water screws with it, we know that. And it's going up and down, and it still thinks it's at 3 feet.